Hey, what's up? Welcome back. I'm wearing my wrist brace because I'm supposed to more. And I'm hoping this part isn't like too much typing, and so the fact that it like immobilizes my thumb isn't too bad. Anyways, so we are continuing from where we left off. Let me go ahead, click over here, and press terminal. And so where we left off is the container build. Fuck yeah. And so now I'm going to go up and find that Spark submit. I'm actually going to go ahead and actually, I guess we'll do it here. Okay. Oh wait, no. I have to change AA to AB, which is the new container that we just built. And there we go. Oh, and my wget thing. Damn it. Mm-hmm. Oh. There we go. I need to fix that at some point, but separate PR, I think. Separate PR. Okay, cool. So there we go. Let's go ahead to get pods. Cool. Still container creating. We'll wait for the container to come up. Okay, cool. Container is up. Looking good. So we're not seeing the errors that we were seeing before, although it's possible it's because the executors haven't launched yet. Yeah, here we go. Executors are starting to launch now. Cool. I dig it. So that worked, which is awesome. Because that means like now that it kind of sort of works, I can at the very least begin my like refactoring plan, which is maybe a little bit sketchy, but it's what I want to do. Do. Cool. So yeah, we are going to have fun. What am I going to do? Right. Okay. So let's go over here. Boop, boop, boop. Don't know how my Emacs got over onto the other window. That's okay. So, we got it to run, which that's the main part. And now that it runs, I want to start like abstracting the stuff out a little bit, so it's a little bit less whatever that is, janky. So first thing we're gonna do is instead of this, Spark allocation pods allocator. Allocator to use for pods. Possible values are direct default and stateful set. Future versions may add job or replica set. Okay, and string conf create with default direct. Check value in set direct stateful set. I think. Oh, okay, so it's just check values. That simplifies life a little bit. Okay. Solid starting point. So allocation pods allocator. Okay. And now actually what we're going to do is we're going to switch back to SBT for a little while because the Maven build is just so incredibly slow. Get stateful set and spark. Yeah, kubectl delete. Okay, so we also do need to make this clean up the stateful set. So that's another thing that we're gonna do. Yeah. Okay. That being said, yeah. So for now, build sbt-p clean compile test compile. Or yeah, whatever. It's gonna fail, but it's gonna tell me essentially what it is I need to do next. So my memory is cheeseburger shaped. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is executor pods allocator. This is going to okay. Abstract pods allocator. Snapshot store log with logging. That's cool. Okay, so then over in basic executor feature step, what we're gonna do here is 273. So we could either do the policy or we could have this expose a restart policy. Part of me is tempted to have it expose a restart policy as a static function. Let me see abstract class static method. Oh, all right. Static method override. Can I override? Yeah, no. So, not a party. I think it's okay. We'll just implement that logic here. Not perfect, but default set is always, otherwise default to never. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Cool. Where is the next place that we need to do this? And we don't need a clean compile this time. What was the other compile warning? Executor pods allocator line 62. 62. Here we go. Yeah, so, oh, thanks, Erotic Life. So we're going to take this out, because we are not going to use that. And in fact, yeah. And so, yeah, no, actually, we're going to call this stateful set pods allocator.scala. Okay. And so for stateful set pods allocator, don't have to keep track of a bunch of things. I think don't have to keep track of outstanding pods. Do I have to keep track of latest snapshot? I don't think so. No. Okay. So okay. Yeah. Let me take a look. So is deleted. What do we do with is deleted? Sea lice no more, indeed. Erotic life. Yeah. Hmm. Actually, do I need this? What was I using? Hmm. I don't remember what the not typing this thing. And this involves more typing than previously imagined. Yeah. Okay. What am I doing here? Yeah. Okay. What was the is deleted for? Is it inside of Kubernetes Cluster Manager? It's deleted. No. Okay. Is deleted. Is executor deleted? Okay. is executor deleted, excluded. So that is, I guess actually really we would just always return false because we don't know what's going on, and so it's never really excluded provided that it comes up to register. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Sounds good. Let's go back up to the top, see how much more of this code we can clean up. Okay, so we want to keep this one is deleted is going to be false. So much code that I can get rid of. I hope. Yep. Deleted. Yeah. Okay. Oh, and we're not doing any random PVC mapping because we can't do that. We do want to keep track of which replica sets. Oh, I do have to implement this. Update the replica set with our new target. Yeah. We'll do that. Okay, and then this is the old legacy code. Okay. Cool. And now we can go back to our executor pod alloc. Damn it. Executor. Nope. Okay, fine. Abstract pods allocator. There we go. So here we go. The other thing that I'm going to do now, get diff master is to a large degree executor pods. We can get this back to the basic building blocks that it used to have. Okay. Use replica sets. There we go. Okay, cool. What else is next? Oh. Okay, let's go. Okay, I guess request new executors. We'll just have this be request new executors. That's new executors. Okay. Executors. Executors. Okay. Okay, and then sets created. Okay. Okay. Executor pods. Okay. For the most part, I think that's fine. Okay. So, Scala style errors. Okay. Let's go ahead and lint splinter Scala. So much coffee. So much coffee. Okay, cool. Line 65 and executor pod snapshots. Okay. Cool. Abstract pods allocator. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on. Okay. Oh, Orgapetch. Wait, what is it? Oh, okay. I did that in the wrong order. And then we'll get this compiling, then I'll fix that to do. And then I'll try and add a unit test. And maybe an integration test. Yeah. But unit test first. Unit test first. Yeah. Oh, and well, okay, wait. Then the other thing that I'm curious about, which I was thinking about, so let's go take a look at the PVC in the stateful. So with add all to volume claim templates volumes. Is that gonna do the right thing? Let's go take a look at stateful set volume claims. I want to just get a better understanding of how the volume claims work. Volume. Okay. Okay. Oh, note that the persistent volumes associated with the pod's persistent. Okay. What about empty dir? Okay. Stateful set empty dir. Empty dir. Oh, yeah, so these are all of the volume. Wait, this makes sense. Yeah, yeah, okay, so these are all of the volume claims, and we're dynamically making them. Okay. Cool, okay, Scala style checks pass, so we can go ahead and run compile test compile. Okay. Oh, except stateful set pods allocator. This needs to be stateful set pod, or we don't camel stateful set. That's fine. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Executor pods allocator. Line 77. Okay. Kubernetes drivers pod name. Okay. And then we're gonna go abstract pod allocator, and driver pod is, this is an option of type pod. Okay. And then this is RPID to resource profile, and then we need that over here. Actually, do I use the driver pod? Yeah, okay. Total expected executors per resource profile. Okay. Total expected. Yeah, we don't. Okay. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that we don't use. That's really nice. Instant concurrent hash map, atomic integer. Non-fatal. That's metadata. Oh, I guess we don't directly reference pod. Or pod builder. We reference pod spec. I think we do. Oh, and then we don't use add owner reference. And then we don't use that. Okay. So what is not defined? Method stop. Okay, so then we're going to go over to executor pods. Allocator.scala and override def stop. Oh, and actually we don't. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then over here in this, then what we're going to do here is clean up the stateful sets and we stop. Okay. RPID. No need to replicate logic. Okay. And then what we're going to do is for sets created for each RPID and we're going to get set name. Um, oh yeah. So yeah, I guess it's just set name, resource profile ID. Um, set name. Does that sound right? Probably isn't going to compile, but at the very least, it gives me a place to start. This is from Tennessee. It is probably a spam call, but let me answer it just in case. Hello? Hello? Okay. Oh, fuck yeah. Party City, USA. Why matters anywhere else? I'm sorry. I'm a little crazy. Um. Okay. Okay. I guess let's pass through the application ID. Oh yeah. Sorry. Cool. Oh yeah. Okay, stateful set pods allocator, line 89. Okay. What's on line 89? Oh, that's... But we can give it a return type anyways while we're here. Cool. That's a little bit of refactoring. That's a good start. That's a good start. Um, hmm. 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 Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ah. Okay, compiling. Looking good. Looking good. Mm-hmm. 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 Hmm. I would like to see it compile all the way first. Then we'll do a git check and then we'll start adding some tests for this. And then I might also add job as an underlying type. Oh wait, no, job doesn't do. I might add replica set as an underlying type as well as the next thing. Okay, cool. That's a party. It compiles. Refactor the stateful allocator out from the base allocator to do actually construct it and test it. So cool. If I leave those to-do comments in my commits, I'm more likely to remember them. And we squash merge everything in Spark anyways, so it's fine. No one gets to see these. Oh, and also this is a to-do. Okay. I guess while we're here, we can do that because we just did this deletion cleanup. So what we're gonna do here is set dot I think I want to edit the spec. Edit spec. With replicas expected and spec Kubernetes client stateful sets dot update stateful set. All right. Oh shit, no. There we go. Cool. Let's see if that compiles. No. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. So instead of RPD, it's resource profile ID. This is over 100 lines. That's all right. Let's find. Let's find the Java doc for this. Patch. that gonna give me what I want? Hmm. 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 Okay. Hmm. No. Oh. Hmm. Okay, let's go. Fabric a edit pod example. Yeah. Um. Hmm. 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 I think this might work. Well, okay, let's go. Edit spec. Hmm. 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 Um. Q. Is that gonna do the trick? Oh wait. Where is stateful set? Do, 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 do. Hmm. Create or replace. Delete. Oh, I can actually just call scale. Oh, gee, that simplifies my life. Um. Ah. Cool. That's nice. Do 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 do. Okay, cool. Yeehaw. Yeehaw. Uh, use scale to update stateful set scale. Okay. What was the next thing on my to-do that I've already forgotten? Oh, actually construct it and test it. Yeah, that's kind of important. So new. That's it. Executor I mean, I like. Oh, booty mashup. Hello. Uh, this is weird. I'm programming. Uh, it's not very useful, but I'm cool. People are here. Hi. Hi. Uh, I I can put on some very chill music. I love booty. I am. Uh, I've. Oh, Adriana. Hey. Oh my God. So many friends. So many friends. I love booty. I love booty so much. Um. Okay. So, that being said, let's go find this executor pod snapshot where we make it. So it's inside of the Kubernetes cluster manager. So that's what we're going to go ahead and open up. Kubernetes cluster manager. Oh, hey, this is Carolyn. The booty people rated my stream, and so Adriana
rated your stream.
Yeah, Adriana and Jupiter are here.
Hi.
This is Carolyn, my wife. My wife.
My wife.
I love you.
I love you. I love our baby.
Oh, yeah, he's awesome.
He's a dog.
Yeah.
Best babies are dogs.
I maintain this is true too. Oh, Jupiter says hi.
Hi. Oh. Maybe a baby cat.
Oh, those can. Oh, yeah.
Baby
Oh, and Adriana says hi too. Okay. So, I opened up the Kubernetes cluster manager, and now we are gonna go and find new executor. Okay, cool. And so, I would love, but he is at day school right now, unfortunately. But yeah, he's amazing. If this was Friday, I could totally bring the puppy in, but on Thursdays he's at school, and Wednesdays too. What day is it? Oh, it's Wednesday. Yeah. Cool. So, Kubernetes cluster manager. That's where we construct it. And now we're gonna go over here to our basic executor feature step. And namely, this is the part. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. Yeah. He almost got kicked out of school for being a little shithead. But that's life. And then case is direct. So I am adding support for Spark to schedule higher level abstractions when it's running on Kubernetes. And so Kubernetes is like a cluster manager. And so it's a way of like controlling tasks on a whole bunch of different computers. And so right now Spark like only sort of integrates it with it at a very like sort of low level, where it like schedules individual like pieces, but Spark can frequently have like thousands of different pieces it wants to schedule. And so I'm trying to change it so that we can schedule these higher level constructs. And then in theory, in practice, that part's a little questionable, but in theory, it could run a little bit faster because we won't have to be like doing all of these like weird exponential backoffs and stuff to work around the fact that we occasionally overload the Kubernetes cluster manager. And so that's the theory behind what I'm doing. The practice part maybe has some what could be politely described as room for growth, but that's the theory right now. So that's what we're going to do here is, so essentially when we're in stateful set mode, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to construct this. Oh, that's okay. I'll pass that along. yeah, we're moving too soon. Um, and I'm stoked that we're still going to be like close, like just one BART stop down. Oh yay! I'm glad that sounds cool to you. I think it's really cool, but it's also like maybe a little bit fuzzy. Okay, and so we are going to change a few different things. Um, so first one is here. Okay, instead of Kubernetes conf, we go sc.conf. Yeah, actually, we were looking at that, Charlotte, because they had some ones that looked really good for packing up wardrobes. And so that's probably actually something we might do because I have a lot of clothes. Okay. Okay. And so then we're gonna go over to the Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. And then what we do is we go up here and we're looking for executor pods allocator. And this is going to become abstract pods. Oh, cool. I'm glad it went well for you. Thanks. That's awesome to know. Um, that's cool because yeah, definitely need to do that. Oh, cool. I dig it. I really like Python a lot too. Um, don't do a lot of PHP anymore, but I love writing Python code to this day. Cool. So that compiles, which is always good. Well, not always good. Normally good. Sometimes when it compiles, it's a sign that something is wrong. Yeah. I love it. A lot of my other projects are so I have this. Okay, sorry. Quick detour. Um, I have this like blog that I run called Scaling Python ML, and essentially like in my free time, I tend to work on trying to get like Python stuff working a little bit better with distributed system stuff because I think it's really cool, and I love the Python community. They're so friendly, and so that's what I do. Okay, cool. So we've got our executor pods allocator, case stateful set, case direct. Okay, cool. Construct the pod allocator based on user configuration. Okay, cool. So that's solid. We are going to go ahead and I'm going to go executor pods allocator suite.scala, and I'm going to essentially just go ahead and I'm going to make a version of this called stateful set allocator suite.scala. Stateful set allocator suite.scala. So what are we gonna do here? Okay. Stateful set pods allocator dot scala. Okay. So the first thing that we're gonna do is initially request executors. So this is not a test that makes sense for what we're doing. But oh, cool. Yeah, I can totally talk a little bit about my my setup role. Um, so I run Emacs. It's not set up perfectly. Actually, I have this list of things of Emacs things to fix with my setup that I want to fix. And the big one is number 3 right now, and that's I have this like hook that's designed to make my programming like do a bunch of white space cleanup, but it behaves weirdly with JSON data and shell scripts. And in theory, I've got it. I'll show you here what I'm talking about. Local. Yeah, so in theory, I've got this local key set, and I was thinking that this make local variable before save hook would let the white space cleanup only affect Scala mode, but it turns out it's affecting all of the other modes, and I don't really know how to fix it. But that's my current thing that I wish was different about my setup. The main thing that I use is this thing called Scala Metals, and it's super amazing. It works with a bunch of different IDEs. I use it in Emacs, and I don't really use the full functionality of it, but I really like it a lot. Locally, I tend to do a lot of my like iterative stuff in SBT because it gives me like a faster build and test cycle. Unfortunately, the integration tests I still have to build with Maven, and I normally have to do clean builds with Maven. And so when I get to the points where I'm doing integration tests, it's often when I get bored, and that's when I tend to like multiplex projects. So I'll like come up with an idea, start doing the clean build, work on a different project, come back to it. But when I'm working in SBT, my build test cycle is pretty fast, so I can just do one project at a time. Okay, so, this is not quite what I want, but it's got, okay, this is a solid default profile. We don't use any of those things. This doesn't really make sense. We do definitely want to mock the Kubernetes client. Don't actually really want to mock PVCs or labeled PVCs. Bagel pods. And we're going to change this to stateful set pods allocator. And then so pods allocator under test. So pod allocation size. So what I'm gonna do, this is like definitely kind of jank, but I'm just gonna start with just getting this to like compile and run, and just get a first, unit test. And yeah, we can see there's a whole bunch of things, which, yeah. So, yeah, we're not going to do that. We're not going to do anything. I guess actually maybe we do want to do the pod operations stuff. The driver pod operations. I was wrong about that one. Executor pods. Allocator, okay. Executor pods, allocator suite.scala. So driver pod operations. So yeah. We'll do that. Okay. Executor pod answer. Executor pod answer. Kubernetes executor spec. That's okay. Yeah, this is a Spark internal thing. Okay. Yeah. And I actually probably do want to plug in. Do I need the snapshot store? Yeah, I mean, we do pass it in. It's probably not bad to have it anyways. And here, I'm pretty sure it's just going to be effectively. So that looks fine. Okay, and executor builder. Yeah, and we do actually want to sort of test that. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's interesting. Not off top. I mean, like, yeah, it's a little off topic, but I would love to, if you've got the class not found exception, if you could share that, that would be awesome if you can share more of your exception, because that's something that I actually am working on. Like not as much as I used to, but definitely it's still on my radar, and I want to make that feature a success. So yeah, share the stack trace with me if you can. Okay. So what we're gonna do is validate initial stateful set creation with scale. And instead of pod operations, let's go find pod operations. This is going to be stateful set operations. Set operations. So what we want to do is verify stateful set operations, and we want to validate that we do not create. Oh, cool. Let's take a look. Thanks for the stack trace. Let's bring it up. Okay. Oh. This is weird. I've not seen this. Oh. Okay. So. This is very interesting. So yeah, in theory it should be in your class path. Okay, so this is the executor process. Oh, so you're saying the Docker image is an unmodified image of this. I think I might know what the issue is, but we're gonna double check. Yeah. So my guess is that it's, and here, help me out here. My initial guess would be that you need to add myjar to your container. Yeah. um, you uh, there's a few ways to do this. Um, there's a few ways to do this. If it's a support jar, which looking at the logging class, I'm guessing it is. I'd recommend editing the. I'd recommend either creating a Docker file that takes the base Spark container and adds your jar on top of it. The other option is to have it resolve a package or otherwise fetch your jar from stable storage like S3. So that's my guess. I would say this is while uploading class not found log container. Yeah. Yeah. You can definitely also wget it into the /dist. Okay, so the jar is in the container. Okay. So if the jar is in the container, yeah. So here's let's go ahead and take a look at the Docker file. Say Spark is the one I want. So did you add your copy like here to the Docker file? Or what's the other one is this user permission can be an issue sometimes. Okay. If the jar is present on below the copy data, Spark jars. Take a look at entry point.sh again. If the jar is present in the container, some other causes of this could be the permissions. I've run into this when I've added a jar and I can't figure out why it isn't working. It is not working. Make sure copy jar. Make sure your new jar has the same permissions as the. Okay. So if it's running as root and it's copied, can you share your Docker file? Right, because this one says it's unmodified, but like it sounds like you've maybe modified it a little bit. So if you can share your Docker file, maybe just like on a paste bin or something, we can take a look at that. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna keep working on stuff. So scheduler backend. Oh, I guess. Okay. No, it's all good. It's just since it said unmodified, I was like, oh, that's probably what it is. But if it's something else, like if it is modified, then it's probably something else. But we can figure it out still. Cool. So I guess operations. Oh, actually, we do need that. Damn it. Oh well. Okay. So do that in over here. Wait for executors block. Yeah, you can just give it null because we don't actually use the clock for anything. And then stateful set operations. Okay, I can't spell apparently. Oh, okay, stateful set operations is not. Well, tell you what, we'll set this to pods, and this will give me a compile error, and tell me what the right type is. Yeah. That is not a thing that we care about. 118? Oh, stateful set operations. Oh, except, oh yeah, for now we're just gonna do this, and we'll get it to be a better test in a little bit, but and then stateful set allocator. Apps, app operations, when app operations dot stateful sets return stateful set operations. Okay, and so then we're gonna go up here, stateful set operations, at operations, okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. What? It totally is. Isn't it Kubernetes client? Oh, dot apps. Okay. Do. Okay, cool. So, think so. We'll go up here to app operations. Apps API group DSL. Or can I just do this? Apps API group DSL. Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry. Is that cool? Stateful set operations. Full set operations. Okay. Stateful set allocator suite, line 106, and return stateful set. Oh. Cool. So this is a mixed operation of stateful set list. Oh god, this type is kind of gnarly. But, okay. Cool. Instant and atomic integer. Don't use Java converters. We will use times eventually. Not actually using the manual clock. We're not using Spark exception just yet. I guess we're not using, well, whatever. Let's just take things out that we're not using. And we can put them back in if we do. Yeah, and so we're not using times. Okay, cool. Okay. Yeah. Let's import this. Because, yeah. API model apps. So I think I can just go apps dot apps dot and apps dot. Okay. Okay, line 68. No space. Cool. Type classes. I like the Fluent APIs. They can be annoying when I need to mock them, though. But that's okay. That's okay. Okay, cool. Let's go ahead. We're gonna run Kubernetes test, and probably not gonna work. Actually, it might. Let's see here. What's failing? Stateful set allocator suite. Okay. Let's go ahead and find stateful set allocator suite. so this is exploding on side of odd answer. Let's oh, okay. Let's go. Executor pod answer. Huh. So when build from features. Kubernetes executor spec. Huh. Okay, cool. There are a bunch of exceptions. So basic executor pod has reasonable defaults failed. Basic executor feature step suite. Line 430. Okay, let's basic executor. Basic executor feature step suite. Container m's equals expected m's. So okay. Yep, that makes sense. We added a new and by default, yeah, so here we go. These are populated by Kate's on scheduling. And then so what we've got here is constants. No, okay. Constants.scala. Cool. Progress of a sort. If we can get down to 3 failed tests, call that a win. Oh yeah, this is just going to be everywhere, isn't it? Let's grab these two. Okay, basic executor feature step suite. So which one is failing? Auth secret propagation. Okay, auth secret propagation. Why does that not work? Interesting. So do we have a resource profile configured here? guess instead of oh, because we added that. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Okay, well, let's go find the first failure. That's reasonable defaults. Okay, reasonable defaults. Spark executor pod name. Spark resource profile ID 0. Okay, I guess that's just going to be the other thing that we're going to add. Wait, no, that's there. And resource profile ID is indeed 0. Huh. Why is this? What have we changed inside of basic executor feature step? We have a new label. And, cool. No worries. I'll be, oh, actually, I won't be around tomorrow. I'm flying to Iceland tomorrow morning. But I'll be around in the future, and I can answer more things. So we did add essentially another, or wait, is this, no, maps are, that shouldn't, Spark user, Spark resource profile ID is null. And oh, I screwed up. I definitely screwed up. Oh, virtual hug, yay. Thank you. Okay, it's not executor profile. That's why. It's pod name. Okay, cool. That's why. I think that's why. Let's go ahead, rerun that test. Okay. Virtual hugs. I like virtual hugs almost as much as real hugs. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, cool. The test pass. That's a party. Start adding new tests. Slowly. For stateful set allocator and update basic executor exec feature step suite to match the new pod name env. Cool. That's progress, I think. Okay. So that's good. Stateful set allocator suite. So we're gonna go ahead and switch any to like actually something. And how am I gonna do this? I think I'm going to import fabric 8 stateful set. No, version 2. Give me, okay, stateful set. No, not Dunnable stateful set. I don't want the fluent one, I think. Here we go. So we should be called with a, let's see if I can do this. Stateful set. I don't care about the API version. I don't care about the kind. Do vaguely care about the metadata and the spec. Okay. Stateful set spec. Can I do this? Well, whatever. We'll do this as a starting point. What is the pod management policy that we go for? Pods allocator. Thank you. Policy parallel. And the other one is I want this to be equal to 10. Don't really care about revision history limit. Don't care about that. Don't care about service name. Don't care about strategy. Update strategy. Sorry, that is. And skip skip volume claim templates for now. Okay. Stateful set spec. Let's see here. I don't think it'll let me nest like this, but at least it'll let me get my idea down. And status can be anything. I don't care. So that lets me like write down what I'm thinking at the very least. And now that I've written that down, I can try and figure out. Okay, cool. So we'll start with importing all of this. Okay. You are saying value not found stateful set, but I'm pretty sure. Oh, value not found. Yeah, okay. So, Mockito verify extract class extract object mock maker inline? Okay. Well, so for now, we'll just comment this out. And we're going to try and capture the thing, I guess. Let's see if we use capture anywhere inside of the Spark repos. grep-ri capture.//src/test. Okay, let's go take a look at our executor suite and figure out how that works. Executor suite. Oh, fine. Accumulator source. Source suite. Capture. Okay. Eval captor equals argument captor for class of oh yeah, I guess we only do this once. Also means I want to import times from Makito. Class of stateful set. Capture. Okay. Assert. Okay. Yes? Wait. Yeah, okay. Val set equals capture value. And then we assert set dot. Let's go back to the stateful set. Except stateful set. Okay. Really, the only thing I care about is the spec. Set.getSpec. I think. Oh, I guess I do care about the name. Capture.get metadata dot get name. Yeah. Okay. Allocator suite. Okay. Ends with -0 resource profile. I think, yeah. Insert set name. Oh yeah, assert namespace equals default, I guess. Sure. Okay, line 135. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, so instead of is it it's just class? Yeah. Oh, maybe it is class of, or do I just give it stateful set? Okay. Mhm. Quito. Okay. Five. There is a space. Pretty sure. I think I might be talking. 90% sure I imported. I did not. Wait, did I? Stateful set. Right? That's in there. I'm not. Should have been, am I? Oh, I am. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Oh, that's because it's camelled. Okay. This is gonna be annoying. 5. Oh, not that value. Okay. Wait, okay. Okay. Is that, am I doing this right? Cool. Stateful set operations, line 118. Okay. Set name. Moderate progress, looks like. Okay, cool. So that worked. Now we want to validate things about the spec. So assert spec dot stateful set spec. There we go. Get replicas. It's 10. That policy. Pod management policy is equal to parallel. Okay. Hmm. Can I do that? Can I make that just any? Because we don't want to be directly creating any pods, except for maybe a driver pod. But I think the driver pod, we're running in like virtual client mode, so that should be okay. Cool. Uh, so, okay. Very cool. Initial stateful set mock test. Cool. So that's a start. Next thing that we're going to do here is we're going to validate that validate stateful set scale up. Okay. And let's go find default profile. Second profile. Okay, and let's go find resource profile.scala, get or create. I guess, okay, I want to create a profile. Create pro. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, let's go find resource profile suite. Okay, and then we'll just set this to 2 gigs because why not, right? Except I don't want to make that the default profile. Okay. Okay, so then what we're gonna do down here is with 2 resource profiles. Create. Okay. So, and then this one is validate stateful set scale up. Yeah. So 20. And then when stateful set operations, that's what I do here, right? Pause allocator. With name. Editable set. Okay, and what we'll do here is we'll set editable set to some cool. So we can do that, then we can verify that it calls scale on it. Oh, okay. Yeah. I think this is the one that we want to return. Except we've already imported client DSL, so we can just go ahead and go this, and it's just going to be apps.stateful set. I think. Okay, cool. So, yeehaw. Wanted to create 2 stateful sets, but only created 1. Okay. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh, yeah, that's why. It didn't actually... that makes sense. Oh. Cool, that passed. That's solid. So then here we do this allocator. Then what we want to do is we want to verify. So instead of stateful set operations, our thing is editable set? That doesn't make sense. Oh, why did this compile? Oh no. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Um, hmm. I'm confused, but that's okay. Let's go find editable set. Editable set. Oh, we actually do have that set to the right type. Okay. Hmm. I think we have that set to the right set. Okay, let's double check. Editable set is type rollable scalable resource of type app stateful set. Okay. And then um uh, let's take a look at stateful set scale. Stateful set. Scale. Oh. Wait, this is editable. Okay. Rollable scalable resource. I think. Does this have a scale method? It does. It looks like it has two different scale methods, though, potentially. Shit. How am I gonna handle that? Okay, I guess we don't give it a name. Accept. I guess any? Is that just ambiguous? Nah. Yeah. Okay, what failed? Editable set scaled, there were 0 invocations with this mock. Okay. Huh. Wanted but not invoked. Were there any, like, invoked that I didn't want? So... Oh, do I not actually add it to sets created over here? I don't. That would be why. Sets created. Resource profile ID. That would be why. So it actually did catch a bug, I think. Maybe? Yep. Okay. Looking decent-ish, I'd say. There's a chance this passes, and then okay, cool. Okay. Okay, cool. So um git commit -am add second resource profile and scale up test to explicitly set weight to false for scale up and fix bug of not keeping track of sets created. Cool. Oh, and then another thing that I want to do here is verify set creation and cleanup with 2 resource profiles. So the next thing that we're going to do here is pod allocator under test dot stop. Hi. Huh. Okay. And then verify stateful set operations times 2. Oh, except we're going to verify that we delete it. Cool. So yeah, let's validate the deletions as well. And then next thing we're going to do after this is add an integration test, I would say. Yeah, okay, cool. Validate the deletions as well. Okay, so then the next thing that we want to do here is okay, pod template suite, secret test suite, PV test suite. Okay. I guess um um hmm hmm okay. I mean, we could just repeat this logic. What do we... Yeah, run Spark Pine, verify completion. Hmm. Hmm. Um. Let's. Is Kubernetes Suite just the? I think that's just the base one. Yeah, it's just the base suite. How long have I been going? That's a really good question. 2 hours. That's a good length of time. Let's see here. Oh, cool. Okay, so we'll do a raid to Lobster Dust, I think. Cause cats are awesome. Let me figure out how I can do this. I'm gonna go over here. Do. Yeah. So essentially, I kind of want to break. And like do more stuff on this. I think I can do this in the creator dashboard. Let's go ahead. Creator dashboard. Raid channel. Lobster Dust. Start raid. Cool. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna raid Lobster Dust. I'm gonna take this as my cue to take a little break. Thanks everyone. It's been fun. I'll add the integration test probably uh later on. Later on. I might do it today, but I probably won't stream it because that's gonna involve running Maven a lot and it's really boring, frankly. Yeah. Bye y'all. And yeah, for any of the YouTube streamers, definitely feel free to go over and check out Lobster Dust. I really like Lobster Dust's cat, and it's some good music for coding too. I gotta say. Bye y'all.